Good day all the Unchained Our Children supporters and the Battle Angels. Here we are with the awesome gifting that we got from Kairos that we are sharing with Reddingsdorp. Let me just put you in the picture. More worship, Geseende Hande, and Unchained Our Children have taken hands with Reddingsdorp, and we've taken them under our wing, and we will be supporting them with food, with other necessities, as well as an upliftment project where we will be individually getting involved and involving our corporates to assist us in making Reddingsdorp, Kwaggaspoort a better place for all the old folkies who live here. So if you want to get involved, you can either private me or you can speak to Pastor Gert at More Worship, or you can speak to Auntie Esther at Geseende Hande. Thank you for your continued support. We make things happen.